Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public garage in Samp. First, ensure you have a basic understanding of Samp scripting, particularly with the pawn language. You'll need access to your server's script files, typically located in the Game Modes folder. Begin by selecting a clear, accessible location within the game world where your garage will be situated. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth development process. Next, you'll define the specific properties of your garage. This involves setting the exact entry and exit points using coordinates within the game. You'll also need to establish the interior and exterior locations, ensuring a seamless transition for players. Consider the capacity, determining the maximum number of vehicles that can be stored. For example, you might start with 10 parking slots, which can be adjusted later. Now, let's dive into scripting the core functionality. You'll implement functions to save and load player vehicles, ensuring persistence across server restarts. Create user-friendly commands, such as /park or /retrieve, allowing players to easily interact with the garage system. Crucially, include checks for vehicle ownership and the garage's capacity to prevent unauthorized use or overcrowding. This ensures a fair and functional system for all players. Finally, it's time to compile your script and test your new garage. Use the pawn compiler to process your updated code, resolving any errors that may appear. Once compiled successfully, restart your Samp game server to load the changes. Then, join your server and thoroughly test every aspect of the garage functionality, from parking and retrieving vehicles to checking capacity limits. This final step ensures everything works as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.